Hey everyone, welcome back to Lovely Tips. Today, we're tackling a common household problem, ants. But fear not, we've got some natural solutions to help you reclaim your space. Let's dive right in. First things first, let's identify the ant hotspots. Common areas include kitchen counters, near food sources, and along baseboards. One of the simplest remedies is this DIY ant trap. Mix sugar with a bit of soapy water. The soap breaks the surface tension, making it impossible for ants to float. Bye-bye, ants. Next up, we've got our trusty vinegar spray. This disrupts ant trails and makes them lose their way. Just give problem areas a good spritz. Cinnamon isn't just for your oatmeal, it's a natural ant deterrent. Sprinkle it along windowsills, doorways, and any other entry points. It messes with their navigation system. Lemon juice is a powerhouse cleaner and an ant repellent. It also leaves your house smelling fresh and clean. Wipe down those ant-prone areas. Prevention is key. Store your food in airtight containers. This keeps ants from sniffing out a feast in your pantry. So there you have it. Natural ways to bid those ants adieu. Remember, consistency is the key to success in pest control. Thanks for joining us today. If you found these tips helpful, give us a thumbs up. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more handy home solutions. Until next time, happy ant-free living.